Nestled between snow-capped peaks and crystal-clear waters lies one of Austria's most breathtaking destinations, Zell am See, a place where the Alps meet the lake and time seems to slow down. This small Alpine town sits on the shores of Lake Zell, surrounded by towering mountains in every direction. In the early morning, the water mirrors the sky, reflecting calm, silence, and endless blue. Whether you walk along the promenade, sail across the lake, or simply sit and breathe in the mountain air, Zell am See invites you to pause and just be present. Life here moves at a different rhythm. Charming streets, cozy cafes, and wooden houses tell stories of tradition, nature, and balance. In summer, the town comes alive with hikers, cyclists, and swimmers. In winter, it transforms into a snowy paradise for skiers and dreamers alike. But just beyond the town, one of Europe's most legendary mountain roads awaits. The Grossglockner High Alpine Road is not just a drive, it's an experience. Winding through high mountain passes, green valleys, and dramatic cliffs, this road takes you deep into the heart of the Austrian Alps. Each turn reveals a new view. Each stop feels like a postcard come to life. At over 2,500 meters above sea level, you are surrounded by glaciers, waterfalls, and silence broken only by the wind. In the distance rises the Grossglockner, Austria's highest peak. Powerful, timeless, unmoving. Here, nature reminds us how small we are and how beautiful the world can be when left untouched. From the peaceful shores of Zell am See to the heights of the Grossglockner, this journey is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a moment of freedom, a reminder to explore and to wonder.